Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add the Hibernate option to your power menu in Windows. Hibernate is a power-saving state that allows your computer to save your current session to the hard drive and completely power off. When you turn it back on, everything is restored exactly as it was. It's a great way to save power while still being able to pick up right where you left off. Let's dive in. First, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Then type in Control and hit Enter to open the Control panel. Next, in the Control panel window, click on Power Options. If you don't see all the options clearly, go to the top right corner and change the view to Large Icons. On the left side of the Power Options window, you'll see an option that says, Choose what the power buttons do. Click on it. Now, to enable hibernation, click on the link that says Change settings that are currently unavailable. This will allow you to modify some of the settings that are normally grayed out. Scroll down to the Shutdown Settings section. You should see options Hibernate and check the box next to it. Once you've checked the Hibernate option, click on Save Changes to apply the settings. Now, when you go to the Start menu and click the power button, you'll see the Hibernate option listed alongside Shutdown and Restart. Select it, and your PC will save everything and turn off completely. And that's it. Now you know how to add the Hibernate option to your power menu in Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.